Your first medical words in Dutch.
Welcome to Bij In this video we'll introduce you to your very first medical words in Dutch. Ready to take the first step toward mastering Dutch for your career? Let's get started.
Onderzoeken. Onderzoeken.
Verdoven. Verdoven.
Opereren. Opereren.
Hechten. Hechten.
Behandelen. Behandelen.
Voorschrijven. Voorschrijven. Communiceren. Communiceren.
Clear communication is essential for any medical professional working in the Netherlands. If you're looking to enhance your Dutch medical or dental communication skills, visit www.dutchfordoctors.nl and take your expertise to the next level.